using Amtrak.
Pero entonces lo mandas hasta allá, ¿ok? Sí, sé que sí. Sí, es buena onda, ¿no? ¿Esta no? Sí. Ya se le ocurrió una tarde. Ok, del techo. Ya se está quedando en tu ya te sentó ya. Se están libres, aparte. Sí, entonces van y tienen sus propios árboles en cualquier calle. Sí. Pues está bueno ese plan. Ok. Entonces, tipo siempre van. Ok. Entonces, como que hay otro plan. Sí, bastante. Lancha, ¿qué pasa? Sí, sí, no, nunca. No, para la vuelta es una fecha. Bueno. Entonces, me ocupa una. Bueno, ¿cuál es lo más? ¿No? Me parece que me da más curiosidad.
1083, approach divergence, wind 73.1.
Just like highball there.
Sí, así que me lo cierran los tres meses antes. Fíjate lo que y que le quedan mandar así. Pero está contenta. O sea, no respondía nunca. Ya no.
You know, Nick Allen, you can add a second cycle.
Oh yeah, I have that. But
Right.
goes to Germany and then now I'm in West Kansas.
Pero yo empecé a hacerlo sí.
So where did I move that?
Sí, acá ya era bueno. No,
9 minutes Fullerton.
También por eso ya no se queda dormido. Te gustó un chapo. Pero más que porque pasé porque el vieja ni se queda eso. Yo me voy a cuidar a todos. O sea, porque dije, qué raro, ¿no? ¿Estás de acuerdo? Entonces, pero que... Fíjate. O sea, el chato, no es el chato, es súper niño. O sea, la verdad es que ese sí es el mejor nano, el mejor. Sí.
Rail program with Amtrak will be suspended from Thursday, December 23rd through Monday, December 27th. The program will resume on Tuesday, December 27th. For more information, call or text 800-371 Link or visit metrolinktrains.com.
Just got to Los Angeles Union Station. Just got off Amtrak 573. Here on track 13B. Over here is the other southbound Pacific Surfliner 14B. I will be doing some railfanning here somewhere and then heading on over, get some food and head on over to the lounge. Metropolitan Lounge. It's kind of hidden. Kind of hidden out of the way. So you gotta go So there's Amtrak services. There's the tickets. Those secret stairs. I'm going to track 13A. So I gotta go down here in the lounge to the tracks if I'm walking. Go down here. Go down, out to the right past the ticket window. Down to the passageway. I'm sorry I couldn't do any rail fanning, but there was a few trains and I was mainly enjoying my time in the lounge as best I could. 13A, I actually came in on track 13. So I'm gonna go on to 13. I came on 13B it was. I went on 13A. Walk all the way down here. And may or may not see this in the video, but my video will be clips of me arriving, of my train departing, correction, my train arriving in San Diego, departing San Diego, arriving and departing from Anaheim, because that's just a point along the way, and then arrive. And then me departing Los Angeles. We go all the way down to 13A for Amtrak number 580. Get it home around 6 p.m. Thank you.
Number 27. For more information, call or text 800-371. Link or visit metrolinktrains.com. On the federally observed holiday of Christmas on Friday, December 24th, Metrolink will run a Sunday schedule. Regular Saturday service will resume on December 25th. For more info, visit metrolinktrains.com.
The red flag amount for 140.8 without a stop. And proceed a maximum storage speed for the main track. Thank you.
You hate leaving the house.
Restricting. Track 6 over.
Yeah. And I was like, ooh, that's great. And I was like,
Clear mission. Gravity up.
So I was like, okay, do we have so specific positions? And one of the positions is if you're really doing so it's like that sounds like what I'm doing right now. But
Spectrum 7, departure clear. Turn off. Clear 141 out.
Once again, welcome aboard train 580 to San Diego. Federal law, you need to wear your mask on board the train. Make sure to cover your mouth unless you're actively eating or drinking. Refusal to wear the mask grounds for removal of the train or ban from future train travel. The downstairs section is for seniors or anyone that has lower level seating tickets or anyone that requires assistance. Everyone else go upstairs. If you have any bags on the seats, place them on the overhead baggage racks. No bags or suitcases on the seats or on the floor. For safety reasons, place them on the overhead baggage racks. If they do not fit, you can use the baggage racks located upstairs and downstairs. If you're listening to any electronics, please wear your headphones. Also, please do not place your shoes on the seats. Please have your tickets out of the envelopes and ready for collection or scanning. Welcome aboard. Tickets, please.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Cafe Car attendant. Cafe Car is open to service. We're located low level car number 3. That's car number 3. Cafe Car open to service. Thank you and welcome aboard.
That train, I believe, came from the port of LA or San Pedro. I believe it came from San Pedro in the port of LA. It gets really confusing here in LA because there's so many rail lines going every direction, which way, this way, that way, and you never know where they go. And this video here is just trying to show you the Amtrak 8th Street yard and the metro yard as well.
Once again, this is Anaheim. Our next stop will be Santa Ana Station. Next stop, 6 minutes. Once again, further along, you need to wear a mask on board the train. Make sure to cover your mouth and nose unless you're actively eating or drinking. Refusal to wear the mask is grounds for removal of the train or banned from future train travel. Actively drinking or eating means if you have food or drinks in your mouth, if not, you need to keep your mask on. Thank you.